Hi guys, this is Scott here at Gresham Toyota. Today I'm going to take a look at this amazing life-saving technology that will give you the best views during the daytime and at nighttime, help you a lot with just overall parking in general, and giving you a lot better visibility when you're parking at, like I said, during the nighttime or during the day. The technology I'm talking about is called bird's eye view with perimeter scan. So here's one camera there, and there's a camera on the side view mirrors, and also the back. Those systems work together. They give you the best possible visibility, say when you're backing up or when you're driving at low speeds in like a parking lot. So today I'll demonstrate some of that technology, kind of give you an overview of it, and tell you what I like. So in order to use that technology, it's between 0 to 9 miles per hour, and you have to be in the car. So let's get in the car. And I made a video about the smart key system. This also has the smart key system. I'll try and link the video in the comments. But you just walk up to the car, put your hand right here, and then that button for that bird's eye view camera and perimeter scan, it's just view, V-I-E-W right here. That's going to work some of that technology. So let's pop on in. So foot on the brake, and let's turn the vehicle on. This is kind of a how-to on the bird's eye view camera. So when you're parked, you can do a perimeter scan. All you have to do is have the vehicle turned on, and then click that view button right there. So it gives you a nice perimeter scan. And also make sure your parking sensors are on. So we're going to turn those on really quick, and the parking sensor button is just right there. So this gives you a perimeter scan. So which is really nice to have. It can show you if there's any kids or any objects right behind you. And there's a couple different views. There's from within the car, kind of like a overall view of around the vehicle, and then an overhead view. So that is the bird's eye view and perimeter scan when you're parked. So the next thing we're going to do is put the vehicle in drive. So I put the vehicle in drive right there. And you also get options to make that bird's eye view automatic with 0 to 9 when you're driving straight. And this right here, this is a front facing camera, and this is the front of the vehicle. And also you can see another perimeter scan right here. And also you can select in different lines to show you. And then we're going to click that view button again. So we're in drive. We're going to click the view button right there. And then this is cool because this gives you the left and right tire and wheel view on the left and right side. And then the mirror is just right underneath this mirror. I mean the camera is just right underneath that mirror and this mirror. And then you can see I put my hand underneath here. And you can totally see that my hand is right there. It's great. So when you're parking, when you're driving straight, you need to park alongside a curb. And also you can see how close you are to a curb. So that's a great feature too. Now for the one of my favorite parts about the bird's eye view camera is just the level of visibility. So right now in reverse. So when we're in reverse, you can see us backing up. And then this has a backup camera. It also has the yellow lines are predictive lines, and the blue lines are like a width of a parking spot. So it really gives you a good all-around view. You can change up the lines right here, and you can also change the view, so more of a wider angle view, and also a closer angle view, and then the that full screen, which is really cool. Thank you again for watching my video. I am Scott here at Gresham Toyota, and that was just a quick overview about the bird's eye view with perimeter scan, available only on the limited Platinum Highlander in both the gas and the hybrid versions. My phone number is 503-758-3612. Thank you so much, and come check out a Highlander with me. Bye-bye.